Maybe you've just started a services business. Maybe you've been running it for years already. Business is good and your prospects are bright. But it's a demanding, complex business with many tasks to manage concurrently and requiring compliance with burdensome procedures and regulations. With limited resources, you must acquire, satisfy, and keep customers, dispatch and coordinate staff, and run your company. How can you do all that without losing sight of your core business? With Ogust, you don't worry about anything but doing a great job. Ogust is a flexible, fully integrated online solution for service businesses. A single application available anytime, anywhere, from any web browser. And with a single subscription gives you all the features you need to manage business development, scheduling, bookkeeping, human resources, payroll, even e-commerce. Ogust lets you focus on operations and revenue generation, maximizing profitability. Ogust has the flexibility to help you optimize costs over time as your business grows. And Ogust has the reliability to help you deliver the quality of service you owe your customers. Ogust, knowing your core business, growing your care business.